I can't shoot it! I can't shoot it, just gotta figure out how to gun. I'm gonna bonk you.
I'm just gonna record this shit.
Kai, dance to this. You like Coney? How are you?
I'm doing good. Holy crap, that's a big tail. That's a huge tail right there.
Better dancer, caramel dancer between Kai, Rainbow, Pobla.
Bonk, 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 bonk.
I need to stand up.
Bonk, 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 bonk. I'm gonna bonk him. I'm gonna bonk him for this. We're just over here just dancing.
I'm definitely not doing the Rickroll dance. You don't have to.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're doing the Rickroll dance. No. That's it. I'm PK. He bit me.
Did you kill
He bit me on the fucking nose, lad. Oh, now mine! You can pick up the gun, I thought you... Hey, I'm fucking done for you. I thought you were the murderer. I thought you were the murderer.
Because I was sitting there doing it.
Wow.
Yeah! He's the murderer because he was doing the wick one. Never gonna give you up.
Never gonna let you down.
I'm not hurt you. Oh my gosh, I peeled my radio last night.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by your toe. If he hollers, let him go.
Please don't.
Poof, I'm out of here, kid.
Hello.
Don't tell me.
Gecko. Gecko.
Holy crap, that tail's big.
Who's big? Who's big?
His tail is so huge.
Oh my god!
His tail is so big. My tail is big.
Why is it so big?
It's in Gecko screen.
Why is it so big?
Na chłoskie.
The reason why it's so big is because it makes a nice pillow.
Fuck you, you fat head. Your fucking glasses, mate, I'm gonna pay.
Bong me, Rainbow. Bong me, Rainbow.
Come on, what the fuck?
I've just been bonked, Kai. A floof has
Yes,
been bonked.
RPG him.
Lag.
Okay.
RPG him.
A West Rainbow. A West Rainbow.
Teabagging Gecko. Wow, man!
What? It's just the
feedback I can't stop laughing. I cannot stop laughing. Why is your tail so big? Why is your tail? Unholy, why is your tail so fluffy? The floof wins.
It makes a good pillow for my boyfriend, that's why.
Good point! I can wait to that! Sally!
Hey boy, please don't bong me. Please don't.
Did someone got all the clues? Because I just heard someone just got all the clues. No, don't bung me. Please don't bung me. Bung.
Good way. Oh my god!
I got killed through the fucking walls. I was killed through the walls. Wait, wasn't you the person who was saying how you got kicked from a lobby during Pride Month because you had a Pride Month skin or something?
Yeah.
I said him about that.
Oh god!
That he was
I
like,
haven't.
why did he get
I haven't
kicked, though?
laughed
He had
this
no
hard in so fucking long. Holy shit! This is why I love Pride Month, because a whole bunch of nice people get together and fucking cause good shit to happen.
That's just what happens when we all chat. You just get an army and shoot down anyone among you.
Oh.
Why did that? Because yes.
At least in the past few.
Hey, have you ever gone to like a convention not twist up or anything? Because you just feel like, and you just go like, oh shit, I feel so uncomfortable now.
No, I pretty much have to go to like fur cons and shit like that, without a fursuit or anything, because I don't have enough money to afford an actual fursuit.
You can make one.
I tried making one, but you want to know something funny? My family found it and be like, "You better throw that away before we disown you." So,
why don't you make one out of your own clothes and then just make it so you can flip it inside and outside? So then they can't say crap. They just find the shirt like, okay, it's a short. I just like my mic.
oh, I am like laughing the hardest I think I've ever laughed in fucking like I can't even remember how long.
Are you laughing because I got killed through the walls or something?
No,
Because
one
was down here with everyone, and I was up here and I got killed.
One of them has an avatar. One of them has an avatar. It's like a goose, and it has a dude's head on it. It's like...
That's so fucking funny. It's so fucking funny. I need to stand my eyes out with us. I'm joking. Bitch.
This is good.
Oh, when
I want to punch Rainbow Dogs in the face because I got killed through the fucking walls.
Oh, I feel... Okay, I'm starting to calm down now. Holy shit.
You're gonna laugh. Are you guys happy that VR chat is actually a thing? Just think about a world without virtual reality. Like, think about the Zombieland universe. They don't have that. They don't have VR.
Oh, they
This
have
civilization
it.
went to shit. Their civilization went to shit before Grubhub or anything. They literally was joking about what if that was a thing in Zombieland Double Tap.
Everyone go in this show now. Everyone, I stab you.
It was Rainbow. I was looking at him.
Gecko. Gecko.
Oh, Gecko.
Gecko. Oh, damn. Where is he? Gecko. I haven't laughed that hard in I don't even know how long.
It's like me laughing at Paul Blart. It's like me laughing at Paul Blart.
Hello, detective.
It's like me laughing at
I am
Paul
the
Blart.
detective now.
Behind you. That person.
Okay,
Right
I'm
there.
caught. Why am I dead?
Horny jail.
We just got sent to
Yeah.
horny jail. We just got sent to horny jail.
The cage has
Poof, I'm out of here.
The cage has died.
Okay, at this point, all bets are off. I'm gonna laugh at anything. Hey, Gecko.
I'm like, yeah. I can't hear
Gecko, can you set it to randomized spawns?
Yeah, please do that. That'd be fun.
See, I need to turn my volume up 100.
Oh shit, didn't mean to lock the door.
Imagining.
I mean, I'm the best shot in this entire lobby
Yes, you
right
are.
now.
Hello, murderer. Why are you see-through? What happened?
This is the
You are see-through on my screen. Is this person see-through for you too? Or do I need to relog?
You're all the way downstairs.
Get the glue from my hand.
Oh, okay.
You're all the way downstairs, Gecko.
Are you okay?
Where's the big floof? There's the big floof. That's your new nickname, Big Floof.
AFK gold.
First it was Big T, now it's Big Floof. Nothing new.
Cause your tail.
No, I'm called.
You cannot get me.
I like big floofy tails.
I'm called Big T in real life because I'm like 6'5", and I'm chunky.
Oh, you're much taller than me then.
And I'm chunky, so I'm naturally called Big T.
Oh my god! I'm so sorry about that.
No, I'm fine with my chunk.
How
Look at me
small
now.
they were. I hate them.
Oh no.
I just feel bad because people call you that. It makes me feel bad.
I actually don't care when people call me fat because it's just like, eh.
Why? Why? Why do you think that?
I don't think that. I know that you're not the murderer.
Okay.
With the
I
gun.
thought you said I was a model.
That is a
I'm
massive
still trying to
gun.
wake up. I woke up not long ago, and I need soda in me. Soda or coffee. Or energy drink. I can use an energy drink, actually. A muscle? I could. Oh gosh.
I could go for a milkshake right now, actually.
Oh heck yeah! I'm down with you. I'm down. I'm down with a gun.
Hello, Gecko.
Why
Are
is
you
a
a
gun?
murderer?
Poster with the gun. Poster with the gun.
I think it's on the middle now.
Wait, are you actually toast? Wait, I didn't tell you avatar.
It's on the middle now. This is his camera.
That sounds great.
I can actually it's on the model. I can just on the model now. I have this camera. Stun them and make them drop whatever they have.
Man, that's actually a good thing.
Yeah, that's why I spent the entire game trying to find it. Getting out anything to get it.
Don't flash it at the
Oh my gosh.
I might by accident if the motor is there too.
I don't think you
First clue.
dropped everyone. If you
Big Floof is here again.
dropped it.
Oh, you need me and I need
I
with
see that
that.
tail. What's going on here?
No,
Did I
nothing.
send the
It's just
horny
echo. It's just echo. But Gecko, I mean, sorry.
What's going on here, boys?
Someone pet the
Clap
rabbit. Someone pet the rabbit.
No.
Someone
Sing
pet.
again.
Please have a
How about you just make you lose your weapon? It's 1 year only though, so.
I'm having weapons.
No.
Ooh, shoddy.
Rainbow, pet the rabbit.
Yo!
I am not the murderer.
I can disarm you at any moment.
Because I'm
Oh, because it's not.
I am not the murderer.
Yeah,
I am not the murderer.
I'm on quest.
It's just an old man in bed. That's
Oh,
now.
Beat on bump it up
Big Flip has a shotgun.
Poster with a doom shotgun.
Oh wait, hold up.
Ohana means what? What?
Play BFG division.
You should know this, bitch!
Bonk, 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 bonk.
Punch.
I bonk people.
You should know that! You're the one who said that!
Oh my fucking god, goddamn thing keeps
I'm
fucking
gone
playing.
now.
Solo.
Come on,
Destroy
stop
it
with
with
the
a
fucking
gun.
ads. Let's
Kill
go. Come in.
Kill it.
My camera's useless now! I was chasing Stitch to beat him up since he... I took a pixel Stitch! Hey, wait, you want a pixel Stitch?
I'm kidding.
Pixel Stitch!
No, you're the monster. Get in jail now.
Oh, hi.
Get in jail now. Get in jail.
I took a picture of him! I took a picture!
That was fucking quick. What the f?
Everyone, get in this jail right now.
I wish I could choke you out. Are you okay?
There you go.
Hey, we don't need it.
Can I bring my RPG?
Or something.
Bitch, let me get my seat back. Okay, got it.
Hiding around you.
You spin me
I'm getting dizzy.
Stab.
Gosh dang it.
I was trying to get BFG division playing while I was fucking sitting there holding the shotgun and just make it more
Are
fitting.
you hungry? Look, are you hungry? What about you, Rainbow? Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
Who wants a McDonald's? Who wants a
I'm
McDonald's?
ready for McDonald's.
To Mickey
Yo,
D's.
I can make a new world.
God, get out of the horny jail thing. Get in that jail right now.
Kai, step
Get in
away,
that jail
Kai.
right
Kai,
now.
step away.
Hello, Astro.
Kai, step away.
Welcome.
Step away.
Oh my god,
Step away.
get
Balls
away
here.
from me. Get away
Back
from me.
again before the round ended.
Oh, why is this shit so goddamn fucking fun? With people. People. It's less goddamn fucking. Change the more goddamn people fucking around, which I love.
Jump on the car, jump on the car, jump on the car.
Let's go to the park.
Let's
go to
Get
the
in
park.
this cage right now. Everyone in this cage right now. Guys, get out of the horny. Everyone get out of the park. It's annoying. Why you do the horny?
Oh,
Let's do the
what?
horny Jeff.
This is disorienting. Yeah.
Cage, I don't care what you say, we're flying. Cage, get
How's
on
it
me.
feel like?
Get on me, Cage.
Berserk. How's it feel like?
That does not feel right doing that in VR.
Keep your head straight. Try keep your head
I need to
straight.
change back
Like
to my
I'm doing.
avatar
Like
then.
I'm doing. If you look at me,
No,
No,
it's
it's
not
on my
hell.
feet. Hold on, I got something.
Don't you head to hell with me.
Gotta go stand still. I'm peeking on you.
Oh god.
Oh god, someone help me, please.
No! Just let him suffer.
Look at Kai. His avatar's
What's wrong with
glitching.
it? Nothing actually happened.
Oh, but man, I'm sitting down and I don't know what's going on.
I would get off that before I give myself motion sickness.
Someone take a screenshot of that. Someone take a screenshot. I don't go on them.
Yo, I'm gonna make a TikTok video.
Ugh.
Oh my god.
Please, get no help!
Oh my god,
Get
no.
go! Help us!
Take a... Hold on, I got the situation. I got the situation. I got the situation here.
That's gonna be a TikTok video, Dad. Rainbow, that's gonna be a TikTok video, Dad.
It's gonna be the situation now.
Please, someone help.
Do we need the RPG?
That's gonna be a TikTok video, Dad.
No, actually, that'll actually be RP. That'll actually be a. That'll actually be a RPN because it's a rocket-propelled nuke.
Oh no, this is called the gay bomb. That's what it's called, actually. It's called a gay bomb. It's called a gay bomb.
Nice.
Just fucking no.
Hey, you have a problem with gay people?